and welcome to the Year of Opportunity, aka year 2021. Welcome back to my channel. You are tuned in to episode 1 of I'm Building a Brand. So I decided maybe around September of 2020 that I wanted to start making candles. It was kind of one of those things that just kind of landed in my lap. Somebody made the suggestion like, girl, you are always spending money on candles. You might as well make your own. So I was like, okay, let's see. Ended up ordering a whole bunch of stuff off of Amazon, and spent like the night just playing with wax, melting wax, playing with scents and things like that. Um, Needless to say, the first candles came out horrible. They were lumpy, they didn't smell really good. There just was nothing pleasant about them. But I went back to the drawing board. I did some research, I did some calculations, and found out that making candles is actually pretty scientific. So once I got a good formula, I tried again. And when I tried again, I ended up giving out candles to my friends and to my family, and I ended up getting some really positive feedback. It just kept me motivated, and it wanted me to see like where this could go. Fast forward, me and my sisters, we all came together and we purchased an LLC. I highly recommend it. An LLC is kind of like an umbrella. You can pretty much do whatever you want with an LLC. I'm sure there are some limitations, but we have an LLC now, which allows us to like really go into business. So anytime we come up with an idea, we can just charge it to our LLC and give it a try. I decided to focus my efforts on candle making, and so far I have been doing pretty good. Like I say, a lot of people say great things about my candles, and I can't wait to introduce my brand to the world. So this is the first video. I'm actually going to be announcing a giveaway, and so with no further ado, let me just talk to you guys about the 4 scents that I have. I have 4 signature scents. I may expand, but for right now we're just sticking with 4. I have Cranberry Bliss, which is a really sweet cranberry with a little bit of a woodsy backdrop to it. I also have Peaches and Cream, which is pretty self-explanatory. You get that sweet nectar with a nice little creaminess to it. I also have Jaded. Jaded packs a punch, y'all. Jaded is not for people who play around with their scents. It is strong, and that's because it's kind of earthy a little bit. You got cactus flower in there, and you also have jade. And jade is like a succulent. So again, you really kind of get that earthy, slightly woodsy, slightly musky, but it's a really pretty scent. It sounds bad, but it's really pretty. And then last but not least, we have Woke. Woke is slowly becoming one of my favorites. It's very clean. I call it inspirational. There's something about when I burn that candle that just makes me feel like, oh, I feel like all peaceful and zen. Woke has a little bit of a floral. You might pick up notes of rose, and it has a white tea on top. So it's one of those layered scents, but it smells really clean. I think of those 4 signature scents that I have something for everyone, and if I don't, I'm working on expansion, but for right now, I think I have a little bit of something for everyone. I want to talk to you guys about the giveaway. My candles that I make are in 16-ounce containers, and they contain 3 wicks. So you're really going to get a really nice even burn, and you're also going to get a really nice hot throw. I want people to have an opportunity to try my products without even having to purchase them. So I'm going to be giving away a basket that has all 4 of my signature candles in there. And all you need to do to win this basket is go check us out on Instagram. We're at newflamecandle_co. I'll put it in the description box also. But follow us on Instagram and tag 3 of your friends. Tag 3 friends that you know really love candles, or tag 3 friends who might need some candles in their house. Go ahead and do that, and you're entered into this giveaway. It is as simple as that. I'm going to let this contest run for 2 weeks, so I'll be announcing the winner on January 15th. I'm not just going to keep it local. If you live in New York, you can win this basket. If you live in California, you can win this basket. Basically, if you're anywhere in the contiguous United States, you have an opportunity to win this basket. I am so happy to be able to share these products with you. I have been so pleased to hear the feedback from my family and my friends, and I'm just really trying to push this brand. I'm going to give it my all. So go ahead and meet us over on Instagram, and good luck to the winner.